Watch him. Fucker can chat, you see. Every original Gaza fan would know this by now. Get a little hype, make a little food, buy a couple tools. Them know who them a play with. Them know me a who.
Them want know when me have a knock, crocodile came and a bus. Make it light up your life like pepper light like Christmas or tomorrow.
Oh, boy Kartel. This man a try read the newspaper. Every day and get up with a organizing our below president. Hey Kartel! You know you get Lisa say more your music them burn off fire though. You need to come out.
Yo, what you really say? And that you really want to go on? After man bigger up and call her boss lady? And who make Lisa get so hype? You know see look like she a carry feelings. And she no dead rich feelings. And the Gaza make pant and tamp man. Cause nothing what she say about World Boss can make the people them stop talking about me. Oh, the system is against Vybz Kartel. And I say this strongly. They went through heaven and hell to fabricate a weightless case. Made a mockery of the justice system and send man to prison without any form of evidence. Just because them see me with my Benz. Right now I'ma tell you this. You see if Bob Marley was alive, a prisoner as well. Cause them would have make up a case for say and him shot the sheriff for real. Alright, when you check the level, Zeej, when Gaza did their road, you see the fan base was expanding daily by the thousands. But Gaza was very influential in the society and the system saw this and became nervous. Head get hot like thermos. Them start think irrational cause them know in a democratic society the people have the power and the future flash before their eyes that in years to come Gaza nation could form a political party themselves and overthrow the government, and at that them afraid of. So they saw this as a big threat and decided they're gonna silence Vybz Kartel and take him out of the sight of the people. And you know the popular proverb, out of sight, out of mind. But a big Psalms man I read. So you know say that could have never applied to me. Worse, Gaza already made such a great impact on society. Just like Martin Luther King and Malcolm X or even Nelson Mandela. A joke thing and they want to stop the Gaza. We show that you can come from the ghetto and still achieve in life. Ghetto youths can own mansion and Benz. We show that we can create jobs for our own. It had them wondering how can one man from the ghetto have so much power, influence. So you know what them do? Them decide to start spread it, say yo, oh, we are the crime you know. I will mix up in a big illegal activity. Yo dog. You know see what them a try do? You know see I overthrow them a try overthrow Vybz Kartel all because me appeal to the mass majority. So tell me now, how can Jamaica be a better country if the government itself bad mind? Them no want to get a youth have nothings. Them no want we have big house Benz with the rims. So they convict the real boss, them start rejoice and they claim that is a victory for the state. But you don't know Jah work in a mysterious ways. Cause guess what? Gaza gain more fans, you see it, and gain more loyal supporters. Them not see that. Them actually make we become more popular. You know see it. So everybody love the movement. A Gaza nation, you know. The music spread wider. Gaza winning more awards. Artist of the year, Song of the year. And Gaza they are prison. Yo, thanks you know. So them realize that them big plan fail. Like a dunce boy doing a maths exam without a calculator. So them next move is to target the airwaves. Them can't stop Gaza. Gaza they on a different level. I want to the devil.
Yo, where boss? Give me please more of the song.
None of them not on me level. Not even I know how I do it. I just do it like Jordan or you win or Shaquille or Kobe and no one can stop me. And who said Vybz Kartel song Fiban slide down your mother?
Yeah, because of that me like. Know me up in life, hotter than a pepper line. Room full of shoes, living in the step of life. Who a semi flop seats, and me get the hype. Brand new girls, yeah, me get a better type. But at the same old vibes, them carry stress alike. But me nah left, don't know me give them every right. Out of all, me carry one home each and every night.